do check out this pasta, it's really tasty. And I'm enjoying it with the green chutney I had made the other day. And by the way, who said pasta can only had with fork? I'm having it with a spoon and it's totally nice. So that's a food steamer which I'm using this time. Below it's the pasta, on top the cauliflowers are getting boiled. Here I have some vegetables which are kept chopped. Basically this is sweet gourd, capsicum and mushrooms, and here are some garlic and chopped onions. This is a Yukihira inspired saucepan that my friend made for me. If you want to get such a saucepan made, you can message him on Instagram. So he handmade this for me. This is copper. Inside it's a tin coating which is wearing off now, and the handle is like wooden. This is sal wood, I think. So I'll be making my pasta in this pot. The oil which I'm using is safflower oil, cold pressed. So first go in the onions and garlic. So this is a simpler recipe. Last time what I showed you, I feel like that was more time consuming. Plus everyone may not have a Chinese pan, so it's better to also have some alternative to it, which is simpler and easier to follow for everyone. Now I'm gonna put my sweet gourd. I'm cooking this on full flame, by the way. Keep stirring. I just let it sit on top. Now I'm adding the steamed cauliflower. The idea is not to fully cook the vegetables, but to, have them cooked enough that they are comfortable to eat. Now I can also add the salt. Here I'm using half a teaspoon of salt. So while my pasta is boiling there, I'm doing my veggies here. When you add salt to the veggies, they usually leave a lot of water. Now goes in the capsicum. At this point, I'm also adding some Italian spice herb mix. Not much, maybe a teaspoon. Because the sauce already would have this mix in it. But if I add it right now, I feel like the oil and the steam would probably enhance the flavor and make the flavor merge with the vegetables. It's just my perception. I don't know if this is scientifically true or not. I hope my pasta is cooked by now. I would strain it and then just add it. Now I've just lowered the gas and I'm adding my pasta sauce. If you want, you can first dilute it with some water in a bowl, or you can just add it directly and then let it get diluted by itself with the water already present, or the water that I'm going to leave in the pasta so that the sauce can get diluted. So as you can see, I have not completely drained my pasta. Just a tad bit of water is remaining. The ratio of pasta and vegetables is totally upon you. If you like the taste of pasta more, you can add it more, but the nutrition really is coming from the vegetables and not the pasta in itself. So ideally I would like to add more veggies, but yeah, one has to take care of the balance. And right now the gas is at sim. Now I've just turned off the gas and I'm just mixing in everything together. So I hope this was like a really quick recipe for you guys that you're gonna enjoy. It's really nice. Fast and tasty and nutritious. That's what everyone wants, right? These days. Try this recipe. If you like it, let me know in the comments. Bye.